Ready? Let's go.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I call the cursed lovers to enter the stage. Their eyes long for one another, yet their gaze incurs calamity. There is no power I cannot defile.
Ranged hit the melee one a little more. But Hulk soon.
And you, we will feast on your ashes. Now, die!
Kill the Hulk.
You are mine.
Back in soon? Back in now.
Run away, little girl. Run away.
Hit the melee one more ranged. You're good, monkey.
By the melee one, he means a guy.
Kyranus.
Monkey, come back.
Allow me to liven the field.
When their debuff is gone, you can.
He was doing charge spear.
Okay.
Ethan Hell, I need you. Show yourself.
So tilted. Just having bosses direct.
You've grown complacent.
You actually skipped it. Good job.
Allow me to liven
Let's cook 'em,
the
boys.
field.
I need soul soak. Someone move.
Go where Bob is.
Trying to move around.
Just
Oh, nice, Bob. You're doing it.
Easy.
Sim, you ran out at the last second and got 10 stacks.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're gonna have a back in soon, remember?
5,
Remember, watch the south
4,
ward here.
Back in.
3,
It's not low
2,
yet, but
1.
after the Beckon.
Kneel before your
Back
Back
in
in.
3, 2, 1.
Run away, little girl.
After this Beckon, then
Run
prop it up,
away.
and then adds. Actually,
Sounds
still very high,
far
so that's
away.
good. Adds now.
And you, we will feast on
Another
your
heart
ashes.
soon to be broken.
Now, die!
Jeff J.
Spell Jade.
Dispel Jeff.
The wards bend to my will.
Taunting. Hiding soon. The ward has a very minuscule amount right now. It's in a hide. It's in an awful spot right now. When it comes back, you can soak it. For now, just keep going on south.
Itchy Jada and Exeter.
I cleared it.
Yeah, that amount's very small, so
Exeter
Bottom
soak the
needs.
ward.
grab it,
Dexter.
monkey.
Axstar, hello.
Which one is it?
Bottom
The
one.
half one.
Coax the power
Other one,
from
other one,
these
other one.
ancient
Closest to the bottom.
wards. Rattle the
You see on the
chains
ground?
that
It's
one
bind
Do you see your
him.
do you see your vehicle frame? That's half filled next to the boss.
Transition, transition, pay attention.
Azshara is drawing upon the heart
Your
of
solo
Azrael,
soak.
feeding
Just
its
bunch of
angels
orbs,
into
make sure
her
they're all
ritual.
soaked.
By the boss, do you need
You've
solo?
only just come to this realization. First,
I need somebody with me in mind. That's mine's blocked in. Watch, Jeff.
you see the
Oh, I
truth
see.
now, don't you, heroes?
Yeah,
Every
same thing
move
as you.
you've made
Yeah,
has been
okay.
Kill the ads.
according to my will. That
Remembered on
lumbering
melee.
dwarf believed you could save Azeroth
5,
Okay, we're training a different
4,
one now.
shiny
3,
little heart.
2,
The
1.
gift of a sleeping titan.
Hit the ad, not the boss.
Who's up
Lots of
first?
that.
Yes. The Titan's heart was exactly what was needed.
Jada, Bromo,
Not to
Elk,
heal
Sim.
the world,
Yeah, mid.
but to shatter the prison of a god.
Shields on the far one right now.
Headwinds.
Such
Mid's
Hide,
clear.
hide,
delicious
hide.
irony. The Diamond King has been
Not the boss.
made a pawn.
Squirrel, Apsalara,
The
Bob,
ritual
Bubble, Shenner.
nears completion. The
Headwinds,
Black
Lips.
Empire
Yep.
rises.
Okay, go to the next one.
And the world awaits its
She's still got her shield,
true
so-
queen.
Get ready,
Next
to break,
year.
break it now, Jada.
There will be no coronation this day.
Oh, Tiger Dash.
Go,
What the fuck?
go through, go through,
Aid
go through.
me. Together
we're good.
we can hold her here. Now
It's
you will
Jada
know what
now.
it means to be
Hey,
Res
what's up,
Jada,
son?
please.
Azshara.
Him Robin.
I am Azshara. I was
Itchy.
destined to rule. No force can bind me.
Tanks,
You-
Itchy,
Birdie,
please.
Monero.
Champions, claim victory.
5, 4,
Back
Do
in.
you want us
3,
draining out the middle or
2,
no?
1.
Yes.
Only the tanks without debuffs currently.
Lovers'
Kill them or we're done.
hearts split asunder.
Hit those players that are MC'd right now.
Spilled freely upon
Break them
the
out now.
sand.
Melee included.
The song of the deep rings to
Lost
call
bait.
him
Bait.
forth.
Bait. That means
At
not
the edge,
middle.
at an edge.
It's right there. Now we
Oh.
overload. Yep.
Do we get the
I'll pop the
ward
ones
or do
here.
we get the middle?
Prop that one up here.
I got the thing.
Probably Thompson.
Squishy customs
Beam.
settles.
Watch the beam.
I don't even
Come
know
on.
how to.
And
Everything is
Beam.
instant. Oh my god.
Jeff, Elk, Sim, Bromo.
Everything is
Beatrix.
fucking instant, dude.
it's
This
the
is
middle
insane.
one now. Sorry, thank you.
Holy shit.
New overloads.
5, 4, 3,
Back in soon.
Drain the blue one.
1.
Back
You
in.
caught me
Back
off
in.
guard. Fair enough. But you are as trapped here as I. This need not be the end for any of us.
Drain the blue ones, guys. We have more than enough wards now.
Oh
What's
my
gonna kill us?
god,
Blue
that's
ones.
awesome.
For power,
Kona?
the hunger
Yeah,
with
middle
which
is
you
blue.
pursue your
Squirrel?
desires. Kneel before
Headwinks
me,
and Itchy.
and I will bestow talents beyond your
Beam
wildest
through the middle.
imagination.
We're good.
Refuse and be crushed beneath the
Birdie?
tides. Choose. your
Middle's done.
fate.
We're fine. Prop up any of the outside wards instead.
Metal
It's the
needs
top
to be
right
done.
one.
We need
Somebody
to go to
guys
the other
hit the
side now.
console. Hit the console.
One person, please.
The wards obey
That was 3
the
people.
land.
Oh, I find. It's a rare.
Let's go, Darfor.
Nizoth,
Yeah.
let your wrath
Yeah.
fall
Beam, beam,
upon
beam, beam, beam,
them.
beam.
I'm dead.
Kill the boss.
Wards
Yeah.
of greatness.
Kill
Got
it.
it. We're good.
Nice, guys.
Alright, good job.
We're very fucking powerful. Let's go.
Powerful.
Oh, there's
I was very
Some,
fucking
Ooh,
powerful.
what a
with that.
coin! What a coin! Let's go, baby. That is not very fucking powerful.
I didn't
good,
want
good job
anything.
there, guys. That was
Shit
really
for
good.
the ring. Icon.